Next to it, the great big two-story, you know, it done damage on the end of it. Well, there was another two-story house right next to it. It's over the bluff.
Oh, no. Well, was anybody killed there?
No, not that I know of.
It would be nice when
Yeah, we could like build a house in the field. That would be really fun.
it would, wouldn't it?
Now we're looking at pets. Like actual pets, like maybe like a husky or a dane or something like that. I want a pug. But Dad said that the only animals I can have, and that's only if I can prove I'm responsible.
Yeah.
Is the ones that are in cages?
Yeah,
except for rats,
Ringo out.
which I really want.
They were 7 or 8 killed
Rats
in
are cute.
Ringo. And then Appleson, there was 7.
What's the size of that tree?
And it's just, that's what it's
We talked to Nancy. Wanted to know if I'd heard about Raven, and I said no.
See, I've been trying to call you and Mickey both.
Yeah, and he told me, you know, what happened. He said Nancy just kept saying, well, tell Jerry it's not his fault. It's not his fault.
She's just worried about you feeling bad. Because he'd been out here working.
Yeah.
But she said he'd been having chest pains the day before him.
Yeah, that's what.
There'd been a big thing going on with David, and I think that's a whole lot of what. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Laws of mercy.
It's unreal.
It is. Well, we've been talking to Barbara too, and Daryl's been posting stuff on the.
Yeah, well, I guess Nancy told you that she talked to her on the phone yesterday out here. Said she had talked to everybody all over the world trying to get a hold of us. You know?
Yeah, they were worried about their hearts. But I'm telling you, dear God, go for it. Gee, this is unbelievable.
There's Nikki right there.
Bless your heart. I don't know how you'll ever clean it. Well, I don't. You won't hear dog clean.
I see his phone's working.
It is, yeah. Well, it is today. It sure wasn't yesterday.
Hello. 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 Yeah.
Hey, are you at the house?
No, I'm down at the pond. Barbara and Daryl's here.
Okay, when you get back up to the house, will you look up the phone number for the water company and let me call them and tell them that the storm pulled my pipes about the ground?
Well, honey, that won't help you none because that's yours.
I know, but I'm hoping they're not going to charge me for the water.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll take care of that later, right now.
Yeah, well, they don't have any phone service, I guess.
Yeah, okay. But don't worry about that. We'll take it. We got time to take care of that later.
All right. Well, I'll talk to you later.
All right.
Right. Home, we start.
It's coming down, you know, Brown's is completely gone.
Yeah.
Shiloh. Now, if you go by Frank Whitchell's, there's 2 or 3 houses there that's left.
Yeah.
And then from there on down.
Well, what about Justin? Didn't he live over there? I wonder if he's okay. Jerry said Glenna was okay. Nancy didn't know.
Yeah, I talked to Jerry this morning.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess you talked to Nancy.
Yeah,
then.
I see. I went by last night. And they had another one on it, and it picked it up. When the second one come through, it picked it up and turned it around and come over here on this one that was already on it. Picked one of them up and laid it over on top of the one another.
Isn't that something too that came at the same time? I reckon did 3. Did you get a third?
No,
Just
2
the
of them. 2's all we got. But that right there amazes me.
Where's your pencil?
It's right yonder.
What's left of a refrigerator?
Laid those 2 gas tanks together.
What is that right back here, Jerry?
Huh? That's part of somebody's
House.
trusses out of Patrick's house over there. There ain't nothing left of his house except foundation. The rest of it's gone.
Was anybody home there? Or?
But it scared us all to death because when we come up after it was over, Billy and Larry walked out on the front porch and they could hear somebody over here hollering for help. And they come running over here and they thought they couldn't find Patrick's kids.
Oh.
They thought that they were in the house, but his ex-wife had just come and picked him up about 15 minutes before it hit.
Wow.
Hello, young lady. How are y'all?
Piece of metal.
It's heavy. Don't mess with that bear. Hey, doggy, come on. What are the dogs in there?
Ask Uncle Jerry. I don't know.
We would see it if it was a snake. That dog. Water snakes can't go in the water. The black dog.
Yeah, they do. Huh?
Stay away from the edge, Mary. It might be a water snake. Not a queen.
The debris along that bank is from a house that's about a quarter of a mile back over on the other side of what used to be woods.